skills. Welcome to the future of agriculture. Here at our state-of-the-art facility, we utilize AI and robotics to ensure
In this state-of-the-art facility, we utilize advanced premium seed genetics. Check the humidity levels in section gamma.
They are stable at 85%, optimizing the nutrient uptake. The growth speed on this cultivar is exceptional, and the root structure analysis confirms its resilience, ready for Phase 2 deployment. Check the atmospheric data again, Carlos.
It's stable, Dr. Anna. The fog burn-off is accelerating.
Good. We can begin planting in the lower valley by tomorrow. Utilizing holographic interfaces, the crew oversees the precise terrain preparation, ensuring optimal conditions for the giant tropical plantation. The deep soil readings here confirm the optimal routing for the new irrigation lines. Agreed, the projection shows a 90% efficiency gain. The elevation analysis on sector gamma indicates optimal growth conditions. Confirmed. Rerouting irrigation drone 7. Soil composition this quadrant is ideal. Reroute the articulated tract. The sapling health is optimal across the board. Confirmed. The automated placement is precise down to the centimeter. Autonomous machines glide across the landscape, planting the next generation of durian saplings with pinpoint accuracy. Beneath the sunrise, giant robotic machines meticulously craft the foundation of our premium durian groves. The autonomous units are maintaining perfect grade on the new trenches, and the water flow analytics confirm optimal saturation for the durian roots. Look at the absorption rates here. Unprecedented fertility improvement in this sector. The spacing analytics confirm we have maximized the yield potential here, and the irrigation pathways are fully optimized. Our AI-guided systems ensure perfect row alignment, achieving nearly 100% planting efficiency across the entire plantation. The deployment rate in sector gamma is exceeding projections.
Yes, the AI coordination has optimized the planting sequence perfectly.
Excellent. The installation depth is precise across the board. Welcome to the future of agriculture. Across these valleys, a new era of durian farming is taking root. The moisture levels in sector gamma are fluctuating. Autonomous drones scan the soil, providing real-time hydration analytics across the entire plantation. We've stabilized the flow rate in the new sector.
Good. The drone data confirms optimal hydration levels across the board. These robotic systems are revolutionizing cultivation, ensuring every root receives the exact hydration it needs.
The AI-controlled water management hubs ensure optimal hydration, balancing flow across the entire plantation. Utilizing advanced drone technology and real-time holographic data, we are revolutionizing durian cultivation on an epic scale. We should see the next flush within the week. nutrient levels in Sector 4 are stabilizing. Good, the automated irrigation response is working perfectly.
The AI confirms optimal chlorophyll levels across the board.
Excellent. 0 pathogens detected in the Western Quadrant scans.
Growth rates in Sector 4 are exceeding projections.
Yes, the climate adjustment protocol is working perfectly. We anticipate an early harvest.
The AI flagged this sector for nutrient deficiency.
Yes, we need to adjust the hydroponics flow immediately.
By precisely monitoring the organic composition, we ensure optimal soil enrichment for the durian trees. Nutrient levels stabilizing across Sector 4. Confirming application rate is precise, millimeter accuracy.
Utilizing intelligent nutrient distribution, our autonomous systems ensure every tree receives precise care, optimizing growth from root to canopy.
The efficiency is holding steady at 98% across Sector 4.
And the growth analytics show a 20% increase in yield projection.
The predictive modeling shows a 20% increase in uptake efficiency in Sector Gamma, and the real-time soil data confirms optimal distribution. Look at the absorption rate in the macro view.
Incredible efficiency. The deep roots are thriving thanks to the precise delivery system.
Autonomous drones protect our crops.
The predictive analytics suggest a high risk in Sector 4. We need to deploy countermeasures immediately to protect the crop. Sector Gamma is showing 98% efficiency on the fungicide application. Good.
Reroute the remaining units to the Eastern Quadrant.
The integrated AI network provides a real-time shield, detecting threats before they can impact the harvest. We are seeing a 40% increase in successful fertilization in the sectors utilizing the AI observation protocols.
Integers. The bloom density here in Sector 4 is exceeding the forecast by 20%. Utilizing smart agriculture systems, we track the early development of the young durian fruit, ensuring optimal conditions from the very start. Exceeding projections by 15%.
That aligns with the increased nutrient schedule we implemented.
Beneath the golden sunrise, autonomous robots install advanced support frames.
The yield predictions for Sector Gamma are up by 15%.
And the quality scores are consistently high across the board.
Utilizing skilled labor and advanced AI, we ensure every durian is harvested at peak ripeness across the plantation. The autonomous fleet scans for peak ripeness, ensuring only premium fruit is collected by the robotic arms. Durians. The integration of AI allows us to monitor harvest analytics in real time, ensuring peak efficiency and a 98%. Here in these misty valleys, AI and robotics combine to bring the finest durian to the world. Through a combination of high-pressure water jets and smart sensors, we achieve unparalleled levels of sanitation, monitored in real time by our AI. The integration of human expertise and artificial intelligence allows us to achieve unparalleled quality control. The classification metrics are stable across all parameters. We're seeing a 98% accuracy rate on the premium grade selection. Welcome to the future of agriculture, where AI-powered sorting ensures only the finest durians reach the market. As you can see, the laser scanners ensure uniformity. This batch is ready for the premium lanes. Using advanced AI vision, every durian is meticulously graded for premium quality and export compliance.
This one's perfect for the luxury grade shipment. Confirmed. The sensor data matches the visual inspection.
Autonomous robots ensure every premium fruit meets the highest export standards, streamlining the global supply chain. The throughput on the Malaysia line dropped slightly in the last hour. Yes, but accuracy remains above 99%. It's still within acceptable parameters. Agreed. This is ready for the international market.
This packaging appeal is crucial for the international launch.
The AI data confirm positive reception, especially the gold accents.
Verification complete. All systems optimal for global transit. Systems track every shipment in real time, ensuring premium durian reaches global markets fresh. From tropical farms to tables worldwide, the journey of the premium durian is a marvel of modern logistics.
The engagement metrics on the Musang King display are spiking.
The new spotlighting is clearly working, optimizing the visual appeal. The gold standard certification ensures only the freshest durians reach our customers, redefining the luxury fruit experience. From Southeast Asia to luxury markets worldwide, through advanced logistics and AI analysis, we ensure only the finest durians reach our shelves, transforming the shopping experience.
Look at the origin tracking. It's directly from the certified farm.
And the freshness indicator is glowing green. This is the one.
Based on your preferences, we recommend the Blackthorn variety, known for its creamy texture and rich, slightly bitter notes.
To the success of modern tropical agriculture.
Absolutely delicious. Cheers.
Here in our state-of-the-art kitchen, we transform the finest golden durian into these exquisite, restaurant-quality creations.
This is absolutely exquisite, the richest flavor I've ever tasted.
To the success of modern agriculture.
Cheers, everyone.
We source this directly from our sustainable farms, ensuring peak ripeness. It's a journey of passion from the tree to your table.
This is the ultimate expression of the durian. Every element, from the creamy center to the gold dusting, is crafted to perfection.
I've never experienced durian quite like this. The flavor profile is exquisite.
Absolutely divine. The texture is incredibly smooth.
From our farms to tables across the globe, the success of premium durian is clear. Consumers everywhere are discovering the rich taste,